view from the front porch. You can hear the ice crunching underneath my boots. Just want to get some video of it. We have not seen this since 1985. I mean, right here is where the driveway is. You can see where it should be, but you can't even see it. So this is the front yard. This give you an idea how much we got. A couple inches worth of snow. Accumulated up on the vehicles pretty good. It's currently 9 degrees. I don't remember ever feeling 9 degrees in my life. Stuff feels real thick under my feet. Being only 9 degrees outside now, probably should not be out playing in it. But I haven't seen snow like this in 36 years. So, yeah, I'm gonna be outside and be a kid for a little bit. Come up and take a look and see what the roads look like. Well, there's the road. Not that you can really see it. We're out here in the country, so you just kind of know it's there. But that's about it. Oh, the dogs are out playing in it again. See if I can get them. Miko! 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 Come here, Meekers! Miko! Miko! He comes blazing across the snow. Come on, buddy! What do you think of all this? Tiffany's outside in her boots and her Minnie Mouse bathrobe trying to stay warm. Come on, Meekers. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna have to get him. He gets ice caught in his pads. Sun's starting to come out. Now the sun has come up. Temperature's not coming up, just the sun. He said we should be stuck with this for a couple of days. I'm sure anybody up north who's used to snow is probably laughing at us right now. We get 2 or 3 inches and we start freaking out. I said earlier though, I haven't seen this in 36 years. 1985 was the last time. I have no idea how to drive on this, how to do anything in this. I plan to be at home until this stuff goes away. But I'm sure it is a good laugh for people up north who deal with this every year, whose temperatures are even colder than ours. I don't know how y'all do it. He said, nope. He's looking at something else. He wants his ball, but there's too much snow on it.